Good morning, children. Today is our first class. So let us start with meaning of economics. I am your economics teacher, Poonam Singh. Okay. So let us start it with introduction. What is economics is? As a subject, this economics is not very old, but it has different meaning according to the different economics. So they have the dispute about what really economics is. First, Adam Smith, he gave the definition that economics is the science of wealth. Wealth refers to those goods which satisfy human wants. Okay. So what are human wants? The desire. Human wants means foods, clothes, and other accessories goods that is required for a good living. Here Adam Smith also, he was concerned about the problem arising from wealth getting and wealth using activities of the property. So after that he has given that a statement, means his definition was that economics is a study of man in the ordinary business of life. It requires how to get his income and how he uses it. Mostly it is concerned with the income and the uses of that income. Okay, where that person, where in economy that income is going on. After that, another definition was given by the Lionel Robbins. He gave economics is the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. As you must be knowing that in our surrounding, the resources whichever is found is very limited. So he relates economics with these scarce resources and alternative uses of these resources. Okay. Next is growth oriented definition also is given by the Professor Anthony Samuelson. He gave economics is the study of how man and society close with or without the use of money to employ scarce productive resources. Here he is using both of the definition, Adam Smith's definition and the Lionel Robbins definition. What key here man has to choose without the use of money or with the use of the money, means a society or a economy can run without money also. We can have the examples this as a villages. Okay, later on I will explain this. Next one is to employ the scarce productive resources. What is scarce productive resources? The resources which is available there in the society, है ना. So how a man is using it, which could have alternative uses to produce various commodities over time and distribute them for consumptions and now in the future among various people and group of the society. Means whatever the scarce resources is there, how we are going to use it, using it presently, and for the future we are saving it also. Okay, so this is the different definitions given by the different economics. So I think now it is clear. We can say that what is economics? Economics is a study of how people and society close to employ scarce resources. Means resources are very limited, scarce, and how people are using it that could have alternative uses in order to produce various commodities that satisfy their wants and to distribute them for consumption among various present and groups in the society. Okay, so this is the definition of Economics mostly it is concerned with the economy. Now, what is economy? As it is there, economy is a system which provide people the means to work and earn a living. A society where we are living in it. We all are interrelated with it, there where we are working there and earning and living our lives. That whole will become a economy. Okay. So, this is what is economics and what is economy. This two topic we have completed. Economics is a subject where we deals with scarcity of resources and how the man is using it properly for his development. Okay, economics. What is economy? Economy is what? Economy where we are living and earning our livelihood and enjoying our wants, है ना. Economy is a system which provide people the means to work, the various places where we works and earn a living. This is a system. Okay. Thank you so much, children.